ये अपना वाला वो भी कवर डाला क्या? One advanced and one MTS. Everything emergency technical.
On behalf of the Government of Goa and the Directorate of Health Services, I warmly welcome you all to this auspicious occasion, the inauguration of the Emergency Care Center, Dialysis Care Unit and Dental OPD. Executive Benali, Dr. Sandeep Bhattaikar, Chief Medical Officer, NCDC DHS Goa, Dr. Sindhu Arjun, Nephrologist, Apex Kidney Care, Ms. Sushma Saini, State Head, EMRI, Green.
ही जेन्ना फायल 2 वर्स लागोली एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटराक भरपूर वय सकल जालें. फायल रिजेक्ट जाली, फायनान्सां आडायली. This entire team is there to witness my struggle with the various departments to make sure that we get the finance approved, to get various things approved. जायत जाणान ट्राय केले की वारक्या फातराडेन एसोलो युनिट गरज ना आणि रिजन दिले की नावेली फर्स्ट क्लास फॅसिलिटी आहा गव्हर्मेंटाली जाल्यार वार्कीकारांनी करमणकारांनी केळशकारांनी नायेल वचपा जाता बोगले पड म्हूण. बट माय डिमांड अँड माय कन्सिस्टंट एफर्ट वॉज मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक कोस्टल बेल्ट मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक म्हाका निवडून हाडा आणि मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हेल्थ केअर जरी तरी इम्प्रूव करूंक जाय. मुगेलो झूज जो आहा सरकारा कडेन हो चालू दवरलो आणि ह्या झुजा पासत आज आमकां ही हेल्थ सर्वीस आज आमगे ह्या फातराडे गांवांत मेळ्ळी. जेन्ना 2 म्हयने पयले आमकां ZP हिंग सीट फाव जावं ना, आमकां कोलवा सीट फाव जाले आणि फातराडे वाड्यान जायत लोकांन आमचे विश्वास धरूं ना आणि आमकां जायत वोट उण पडत. मुगेली हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा कडेन जायत अजत जात मुगेली चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन, पूण ह्यो सगल्यो अजत्यो गोंयचे पासत. 2023 आखे वरोस गेले, 2024 आखे वरोस गेले आणि 2024 December 1st we opened up our first dialysis center of 2 beds in a sub health center. That is also history in Goa. Sub health center and dialysis unit मध्ये ते ओपन को नाही. 2 वर्ष जगण सरकाराकडे फाईल मूव करून विदाउट लुजिंग द होप सद्दां कितें ना कितें आडपळ येताल्यो. 1st December 2024 we inaugurated the dialysis unit at the Carmona Sub Health Center. सगळी टीम थंय आसली आणि that unit is successfully running. Around 9 patients we have over there. That unit is full. तेन्ना आमी परत एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटराचेर असेंब्ली पोतोन डिमांड घालपाक लागले. आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी कितूणी आहा 24 hours दोतोर ना. कितें जालें जाल्यार जे भाशेन डॉक्टर संदेशान आज म्हणलें राती कोडे समज कोणा हार्टा येयलें कार्डियक अरेस्ट केलो कितें वयर सकयल जालें जिवा बरें दिसना मोबरा पोतासून हिंग बाणाले हे डिस्टन्साक 24 hours रातीको दोतोर पडना. सगळ्या वी ऑल हॅव टू रश टू मारगांव आनी मोबरासून जर तूं मडगांव पावतलो तुका मिनिमम हाफ एन आवर लागताच. सेम वे आम परमणसून पावतलो वार्कसो पावतलो जाल्यार एक 20-25 मिनटां लागतल्योच. सो टुडे वी हॅव मेड अ स्पेसिफीक मॉडल. आमकां दांतां दोतोर जायो हिंग डेंटल आसना. आमकां 24 hours दोतोरा सर्वीस जाय एमर्जन्सी ती आसना. आनी डायलिसीस करपाचो जो आमगेले 9 पेशंट आहाय आनी पेशंटां डिमांड आसलो. बीइंग अ कोस्टल बेल्ट वी हॅव गॉट हाय इश्यूज ऑफ किडनी आनी डायलिसिसा पेशंट भरपूर आहाय. म्हाका एपेक्स घनश्याम सांगतालो की ऑलरेडी 6 पेशंट्स वी हॅव ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड ओवर हियर फॉर दिस डायलिसिस सेंटर. आज इनॉग्रेट कोताय थिंगा हाय 6 पेशंट्स आर रजिस्टर्ड which means the demand is there. लोकांक त्रास जाताय आनी लोकांक जो मडगांव असो पडटा मडगांवचो नावेल असो पडटा तांकां आज हिंगा ही फॅसिलिटी आमकां अवेलेबल आहा.
This constituency, sarpanches, JRP members, doctors, our clinical staff. In the pathetic state, one person once he get dialysis issue, and mostly kenna jata when our uncontrolled diabetes goes without treatment, proper treatment I am saying, for years. म्हणजे आमकां जर डायबिटीस आसा व्हेरी हाय डायबिटीस 300, 400, 500 शुगर आनी आमी ताजी कॅरूच घेना जाल्यार हो पेशंट आफ्टर 2 to 3 years गोज इन किडनी फेलियर. आनी तुमकां सांगपाक म्हाका बरें दिसना. एक्चुअली आय एम द हेड ऑफ डायलिसीस फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. Presently in government setup we have around 900 people taking dialysis, which is not a good sign because we are not controlling our diabetes. But once the kidneys goes, there is only one hope that somebody has to give you transplant, which is very difficult. Yesterday itself myself was in Bambole Ashilo and there were 3 kidney patients who had come for transplant. I am one of the authority to sign it. आणि म्हाका सांगपाक बरें दिसना की आमचे गोवन पेशंट्स आर वेरी मच इन द लायन. बट ऑल दीस पेशंट्स 3, one was Nepali, one was from Karnataka and one was from Maharashtra for the transplant where we have to sign. पण म्हाका दोतोर सांगतालो आमचो MS ऑफ GMC बाबा आमचे गोंयकार फक्त कोणी मरता काय म्हणून रावता ना कोणूच डॉनेट करपाक वचना and maximum patient who take dialysis are Goan patient. So anyway, this facility your MLA has brought to your doorstep. Otherwise, I have seen dialysis patient आसा ताका तो काय बशीन वचपाक शकना, ताका गाडी करची पडटा. Every alternate day, thrice a week he has to go. Minimum district hospital he has to go. Otherwise GMC, you can know the expenses. The person has to go somebody assistant because sometimes after dialysis they get vertigo. You have to sit for some time because of heat in Goa. So this facility will be treating 6 patients, 6 into 2. In the alternate day, there are 12 patients at present. As and when sir says, we will be increasing it. So I feel you should give one clap to your MLA for this facility. So today itself is a blessing day for you. As Father has blessed, it's a blessed day for all the villagers of Akradi. Why I say that you are not even getting clinic, but you are getting one specialty facility. So indeed it is a great achievement for our MLA. I have practically not met him earlier. Today I am meeting him and I used to always see him in the assembly session, putting up our questions, villages question and question of Goa in front of the media and Goan people. And as a Goan, I am proud of you. Sir, what is this facility? I'll just tell you in brief. So we have three facilities here. One is Emergency Care Unit or ECC, Emergency Care Center. Second is Dental Care Unit. And third is Dialysis Center. So emergency म्हणजे किती मेळटलें? तर first of all, it is 24/7. So from today, from now onwards, doctor, advanced paramedic, ज्यांनी बरी ट्रेनिंग घेतलेली आसा असले क्रिटिकल हे चेक करपा लागून फ्रॉम आउटसाइड गोवा, फ्रॉम बिग हॉस्पिटल, एक टेक्निशियन आणि एक MTS तुमकां 24/7. Even if you come at 3 o'clock in the night, 1 o'clock night, they will be there. Because I have seen such centers in Goa, and Goa is the only state which brings such center to the villages. So we can see now the quality health service has come to the doorstep. A doctor will be there 24/7. So तुमको खबर आसा की हार्ट अटॅक, स्ट्रोक, any acute condition, accident, हें केन्ना सांगून येना. So whenever you get this, we go in a panic mode because the doctor will be available 13 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers, and then we try to call ambulance. Ambulance is busy. Then that golden hour, what we call 1 hour, golden hour is wasted. So you can directly rush in here. Suppose तुमकां कितें जालें जाल्यार will be doing your blood sugar, तुमचो DP पळयतले, तुमकां assess करतले, and that golden hour, what is needed to be done, that doctor will decide. If ambulance is required, she'll call 108 and transfer wherever it is required, either to be transferred to the district hospital or Goa Medical College. So this is the setup, emergency care. So don't hesitate. Anytime if you get some condition, don't stay at home. Maka हे जाला, असं नाही काय ना, gas जाता. So post-COVID, we have seen that a lot of increase in the heart attack cases, especially in the younger generation, less than 30, less than 40. We are getting around almost 150 heart attacks, STEMI, like the ST elevation MI, where you have to take acute action. More than 150 per. This month itself is 187. Since I monitor for the state of Goa, I know the figures very well. So around 200 people get heart attack in Goa for every month. So this population is there everywhere. So don't hesitate to take these services. This is government service, this will be available. No, a trained doctor, a trained paramedic and a trained assistant is available 24/7. Second facility which will be available is the dental care. Every alternate day, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, a dentist will be catering to your need. So why a dentist is needed? तुमकां खबर आसतलें, ल्हान भुरग्यांक आनी जाणटेल्यांक सगळ्यांचो डेंटल प्रॉब्लेम आसा, आनी गोवा इज वन ऑफ द स्टेट वेर मॅक्झिमम डेंटल प्रॉब्लेम आसा. अशें बाकीच्यांक ना आसा, बट इन गोवा वी रिपोर्ट. Since we report, the figures come. So why we report? Because people go to dentist. So dentist will be available in the morning session and she will take care of your dental health. And anybody is having any dental issue, she will solve it. Because if your dentals are not good, then there is problem in digestion, there is problem in nutrition. And if nutrition is not good of younger generation, then they become a weak adults. So third and the most important facility which will be given here will be dialysis. खरें सांगपाक गेल्यार म्हाका अशें दिसता की हें दुयेंस कोणाकूच जावपाक जायना.
Is entitled to, and it is my great pleasure to be part of this opening ceremony of the healthcare center, because when healthcare becomes accessible to each and every individual, then our quality of life improves, and I think that is it is is one of the foremost gifts that we can bestow upon humanity. So, as we all know, kidney disease is on the rise because of increase in diabetes, high blood pressure, and other chronic conditions. In India, as compared to the rest of the world, the incidence of diabetes is going up and kidney disease also increasing. And I don't need to tell all of you, some of you might be kidney patients already, that it is something that can completely change your life when you get kidney disease. So to have access to dialysis, to have access to medical care close to your home and at your doorstep is indeed one of the privileges, I can say. So we are very happy at Apex to be part of the initiative. Apex, along with public-private partnership under the program, has this is the 17th center which has been opened, and more than 800 patients in Goa have benefited from dialysis services. So we will continue to strive and provide dialysis care to as many patients as possible, and quality dialysis care where they don't need to travel miles and miles to get their dialysis, and their quality of life will improve immensely. Thank you.